In this video, we'll cover the setup for the Vive toilet nightlight. Nightlight is very simple to set up once you take it out of the box. First thing you'll want to do is install the 3 AAA batteries into the battery compartment here beneath the light stem. Make sure those batteries are oriented in there properly, and then replace the battery door cover. Make sure that's on there tight. Around the front here, you'll see the light sensor. Now once you get the batteries installed, you'll want to cover the light sensor, put the light sensor into darkness to test and make sure that the light will come on. While we're waiting, just to let you know, the light stem here is flexible, so it'll fit on any size toilet, standard, elongated, one piece, whatever it may be. It's also safe to come into contact with water or any cleaner that you would use. We do recommend that you remove it when the toilet is cleaned, but in between cleanings, if there's just a wipe down or something, this will be fine to leave as is. Once the light comes on, you'll see that it'll strobe, or rather just sort of shift, between 8 different colors. Now there's a button here, just above the light sensor, that you can select to either lock in a color or press again to let the colors alternate. So let's press to lock in one color, and now we can fit it onto the toilet. You lift up the seat and the lid, fit the light just here with the stem into the bowl. Like I said, the stem is flexible, so you can use it to sort of hold it in place. And it's as simple as that. The seat and the lid can be closed, and everything is installed and ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if it's been helpful.